Welcome once again. This is Kripa Shankar and I hold a PhD in food science from IARI New Delhi. As we know that the Indian Society of Horticulture Research and Development in Uttarakhand is organizing the Progressive Horticulture National Symposium 2024 on horticulture in the Himalayas. The Progressive Horticulture National Symposium 2024 will be held at H.N.B Garhwal University in Srinagar, Uttarakhand from October 17 to 19, 2024. The symposium's primarily focus will be on exploring crucial topics within horticulture that includes diversity, new crops and wild edible of Himalayas, crop improvement and varietal developments, planting materials and other input issues, organic or natural production and innovation in horticulture, soilless or precision horticulture and new tools for Himalayas, post-harvest and value addition technologies, plant protection and climate change issues in Himalayas, beekeeping, mushroom cultivation and traditional herbal knowledge, success stories, marketing and herty business, progressive farmer and industry meet. Now the abstract submission is also open as well as the registration. So ISHRD urge all the researcher, scholars and practitioners in the field of horticulture to participate in the symposia. The registration fee is very nominal for the student research and fellow farmers. Now coming to the most interesting aspect of ISHRD, that is to recognize outstanding contribution to the advancement of horticulture is crucial. As we know that the ISHRD will be presenting several prestigious awards and fellowships during the symposium. It includes Budding Scientist Award, Himadri Young Scientist Award and so on. And to support the ISHRD continued efforts in promoting horticulture research and development, we encourage you to consider become a life member. The membership fee is a very nominal, that is 7,500, and it will provide you with the exclusive benefit and access to other resources. Now ISHRD are looking forward to welcome you all to the Progressive Horticulture National Symposium 2024 that will be held at H.N.B Garhwal University in Srinagar, Uttarakhand. If you have any query or questions, please do not hesitate to contact on the given phone or email. Thank you very much and we hope to see you at the symposium.